Hello everyone, welcome to Radiant Minds Academy. In this video, we will provide the solution to this exponential question given to us. So we are asked to find the value of x. So we are given that x cubed is equal to 30 cubed plus 40 cubed plus 50 cubed. Now at this point, we cannot add the values at the right hand side because they have different bases. So we have to employ a means through which we can be able to simplify. Looking at the right hand side, we can express each base as a product of two factors. So recall that 3 times 10 is equal to 30, 4 times 10 is equal to 40, and 5 times 10 is equal to 50. So therefore we have that x cubed is equal to 3 times 10 all raised to the power of 3 plus 4 times 10 all raised to the power of 3 plus 5 times 10 all raised to the power of 3. Now also from product power law, we know that a times b all raised to the power of n is equal to a to the power of n times b to the power of n. Thus, we have that x cubed is equal to 3 raised to the power of 3 times 10 raised to the power of 3 plus 4 raised to the power of 3 times 10 raised to the power of 3 plus 5 raised to the power of 3 times 10 raised to the power of 3. Now, since 10 to the power of 3 is common, we can factorize it. So we have that x cubed is equal to 10 to the power of 3, open a bracket, 3 cubed plus 4 cubed plus 5 cubed, and we close our bracket. So x cubed is equal to 10 to the power of 3, open a bracket, 3 cubed is 27 plus 4 cubed is 64 plus and 5 cubed is 125. So therefore x cubed is equal to 10 to the power of 3, 27 plus 64 plus 125 is equal to 216. So looking at the right hand side, can we express 216 to take the form of 10 to the power of 3? Yes. Recall that 6 to the power of 3 is equal to 216. So therefore we have that x cubed is equal to 10 to the power of 3 times 6 to the power of 3. Again, recall that from product power rule, if a to the power of n times b to the power of n, this can be expressed as a times b all raised to the power of n. So therefore, x cubed is equal to 10 times 6 all raised to the power of 3. So x cubed is equal to 10 times 6 is 60 all raised to the power of 3. So we have that x cubed is equal to 60 raised to the power of 3. So since their index are the same, it follows that their bases should be equal. Therefore, x is equal to 60. Thank you so much for watching, and if you know you found the video helpful, please encourage us by liking this video and also subscribing to our channel. And for more questions like this, I will encourage you to visit our International Math Challenge playlist. Thank you once again, and I wish you success. Bye.